mechanic lead. Today I'm working on a buddy from work. It's got a Echo PB-250LN. I worked on it, I don't know, a few years ago. Did a carb update and diaphragms. I figured, alright, maybe that was the problem. He said he couldn't get it started. But no, not this time. This time was Coil. But not too bad. I think it was like 17 bucks on Fleabay. But the thing is that you pretty much gotta take the whole thing apart to get at it. And this back cover here, it's got a bunch of screws. Take this cover off here, take the impeller off, and there's 4 screws that hold it in place. And once you're going to separate it off, the flywheel's right there, the 2 screws for the coil come off, 2 off, 2 on. Yeah, I'll use my handy dandy spacer. It makes a perfect gap every time. And lo and behold, spark came back. I pulled it twice, and she cranked over. So now it's just a matter of putting this gal back together again. Make sure you route all the wires back where they're supposed to be, so nothing gets pinched or kinked. And while you got it off, pop off the cover for the muffler. This little cover here has 5 little screws, and of course inside is the screen. So what you do is, grab a little pair of pliers here, and let it till it's nice and glowy. Little air here to blow off the vaporized carbon, and that's it, just like that. Pop it back on, and place it right there. Cover goes on like that. Let me see if I can get these screws started. Back this up a bit. And there we go. Put the other screws back in. You're done. And as a matter of getting this cover back on, you pop off the spark plug boot, route it through here, and make it come out this hole here as you slide it on. Make sure you got your throttle linkage on. I got it somewhere around here. Right here. Your throttle linkage. There we go. There, I got it backwards. Nope, got it backwards. There we go. Throttle linkage. This way. Rod in. And, well, I gotta get the plug out of the way, but yeah, kind of has its own way of getting down here. It's got its own little channel right there. Hook up to the carb like that. And you're ready to go. Ready to put the 2 halves back together again. Let me do that. Get the rest of this malarkey back together. Get this gal up and going. Back from the dead.